To reactivate a deleted account, first ensure you have the necessary application or access to the website. Simply proceed to your browser. Type in the website's URL and follow the on-screen prompts to create an account. When creating your account, log in with your email address and password, making sure your password is a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, special characters, and numbers to ensure it's unique and secure. Once you've set up your account, you can log in and access your account settings. However, if you've deleted your account, it's not possible to reactivate it, as the system doesn't allow for full reactivation of deleted accounts. If you want to regain access, you can try contacting customer support to see if they can help you create a new account. Depending on your situation, it's essential to be cautious when deleting an account, as it will be permanently deleted and cannot be reactivated. Before deleting, make sure it's what you want to do, as you won't be able to recover your account once it's gone. If you need help, you can reach out to customer support through the Help Center, and they will assist you in exploring possible options.